I'm Rick Nelson, and on behalf of the AASHTO Committee on Maintenance, their Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group, and the Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program, formerly known as SICOP, SICOP Talks Winter Ops is proud to host this fourth National Winter Maintenance and Road Weather Briefing. Now, these briefings give organizations working in the severe weather and maintenance operations space an opportunity to showcase their efforts to help you achieve your winter maintenance and operations mission. Now, this briefing features the AASHTO Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program, formerly known as SICOP. The four principal tenets of the winter weather management mission are to find, evaluate, promote, and coordinate research and information about winter maintenance and road weather. They stem from our original charter from the AASHTO Board of Directors back in 1993 when SICOP was created. Now, we've spent a fair amount of energy in the promotion and sharing of information on winter maintenance and road weather, along with leveraging groups to sponsor research that's important to our members. The Winter Weather Management is one of AASHTO's technical service programs, and we operate with the support of states who make an annual contribution of $4,000. The AASHTO Committee on Maintenance is the parent committee for this technical service program, and we work closely with their Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group. Now, our steering committee is comprised of representation from each AASHTO region. Brad Darr chairs the steering committee and represents WASHTO. Joe Thompson from NASTO, Heath Patterson from SASHTO, Becky Allmeroth from MASTO, and liaisons from these principal organizations operating in the winter maintenance and road weather space form a steering committee that encompasses the breadth of the winter maintenance and road weather community so our member states can be aware of all the work that's being done out there. Now, I want to mention that we also share a close relationship with Clear Roads and Aurora. AASHTO is undergoing a rebranding effort to clearly show the relationships between committees, technical service programs, and solution products that have been developed and evolved over the years. You'll notice that the historical acronym heavy programs are being rebranded into programs that reflect their central mission, like the transformation of SICOP to winter weather management and EMTSP to equipment. All the websites are being reworked as well with the big rollout that happened at the AASHTO spring meeting. So please be patient with us and our products as they try to work out the kinks. Winter weather management is undergoing a bit of a transformation as well, as we're expanding our structure to recognize the importance road weather plays in providing a sustainable, resilient transportation network during severe weather events. We're in the process of forming a road weather task force to complement the winter maintenance task force. Now, the Winter Maintenance Task Force is closely aligned with the TRB Winter Maintenance Committee and Clear Roads, while the Road Weather Task Force will be aligned with the TRB Road Weather Committee and Aurora. And we're also initiating an effort to develop a consensus-based descriptions of materials and methods utilized in winter maintenance and road weather management through the establishment of a terminology task force. Now, developing consensus descriptions of material, methods, and terminology utilized in winter maintenance and road weather management will help by providing a clear understanding of the terminology we utilize in communicating with our peers and colleagues, with research in the area, and as we formulate contracts for materials and services. We want to draw on the experience of those working in winter maintenance and road weather management through members drawn from the various groups and organizations. Our steering committee member, Joe Thompson, will be chairing the task force and providing leadership in this effort. If you have an interest in this activity, I would encourage you to send Joe an email. A few years back at a TRB meeting, there were folks attending who weren't able to fully participate since they weren't aware of all the groups, agencies, and organizations and their acronyms. SICOP went about creating an index of organizations that operate within the winter maintenance and road weather space. This index provides the name, a brief description of the group, and a website link to help folks find those with similar interests or those who might benefit from collaboration. Now, this index will be one of the products of the Terminology Task Force along with the Winter Operations Dictionary. One of the activities of the Winter Weather Management TSP is to encourage research through the AASHTO committee structure and TRB. Here are some projects that we've been engaged in. NCHRP 6-19 will produce a guide for non-chemical snow removal operations, basically all things not related to chemicals. NCHRP 3-142 is looking at the impacts of real-time warnings and variable speed limits from the social and behavioral perspective. This project includes simulator studies of driver behavior and how effective various message sets and delivery techniques are. The Snow and Ice Guide was approved by the Committee on Maintenance as an AASHTO guide and is in the publication pipeline. The delivery date should come early in 2024. Clear Road's ice melting capacity test method has passed through the Committee on Maintenance and been forwarded to the Committee on Materials with the recommendation that it be approved as a provisional test method. SICOP Talks Winter Ops is a collection of short conversations with experts on a wide variety of topics, hopefully to whet your appetite for more information. We're in season 6 and have posted over 70 episodes on topics ranging from the use of liquids and icebreakers to environmental issues and public affairs. We also like to promote various research results and conferences and meetings. Scott Lucas, formerly of the Ohio DOT and now with the City of Columbus, helps me co-produce episodes. So if you have ideas about topics or potential guests with interesting stories you'd like others to hear from, send me or Scott Lucas an email and we'll do our best to get them on. Our website and the email addresses of our steering committee are listed below this video and in the show notes. Please take a minute and check out the resources that we have to offer and reach out to me or any of our steering committee members for questions or comments you have about the Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program or any of our task forces. Until next time, thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there.